One side it will connect, one side it will not connect, right? Whether you are accessory 1 line or accessory 2 line, accessory ACC1 or ACC2, CC1, CC2 actually, okay. This CC1 or CC2, one breaks, sometimes one break. One side will work, one side will not work, right? What do you need to do that time? You need to see the lines ACC1, ACC2, right? Whether these lines are good or not. Cable is good. That's why we are checking here ACC1, ACC2 good or not. Computer detection means that your CPU is somewhat good. You cannot say my CPU is fully okay. That is USB section is there. It will connect to the USB section only first. Okay. If the USB section is there, is good. That means your connection is good. That means 50% of your CPU is good, not 100%. How you confirm whether my CPU is proper or not? You just flash. You just
flash.
You will flash the phone. After flashing, if the CPU is good, there is a 11% passing. That means it will pass 11%. Okay. The 3U tools will give you 11% and it will pass. Okay. And you need to understand there is a one concept like the connection disconnection. What is it?
Connection disconnection.
Connection disconnection. Connection disconnection means it will recovery to DFU to recovery, right? Like that it will one time connects and disconnects, right? That means you one time it is done. That means the driver jumps one time. If you see driver in your phone, in your laptop, it will jump one time. That means it will disconnect. You understand it is accessing hard drive, right? It will give you 22%. After 22% there is a process bar is like this. What is it?
Process bar.
Process bar is like this. This process bar starts means your hard drive is accessing. That means the problem is where?
On this
hard drive. Okay. Now I will go and elaborate this. Okay. आपको समझ आया मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ? आपको फर्स्ट कुछ भी आपका 50-40 रीडिंग आया, आप कंप्यूटर में कनेक्ट करके प्रॉब्लम समझना चाहते हैं, हार्ड ड्राइव रिमूव किया है आपने, रिमूव करके कंप्यूटर में कनेक्ट करने तो U2 सही होनी चाहिए, आपका केबल सही होनी चाहिए. केबल सही होने तो कभी कभी क्या होगा, दोनों तरफ काम नहीं करेगा, एक तरफ काम करेगा एक तरफ काम नहीं करेगा. उस टाइम में आप क्या देखेंगे? एक्सरी 1 एक्सरी 2 ACC1 ACC2 CC1 CC2 लाइंस देखेंगे फर्स्ट. बाद में ये लाइन सही होने तो U2 कनेक्ट होगा, U2 सही होने तो कंप्यूटर कनेक्ट होगा, मतलब आपका CPU कनेक्ट होगा, CPU कनेक्ट होने तो आप समझ लीजिए फोन डिटेक्ट होगा आपका कंप्यूटर में फोन डिटेक्ट हुआ, iPhone 6 7 लिख के आ रहा है, इसका मतलब आपका CPU आधा सही है. आधा सही मतलब USB सेक्शन सही है. आधा CPU मतलब आप CPU डिटेक्ट हुआ, USB सेक्शन सही है, आप फ्लैश किया है, फ्लैश करने के बाद 3U टूल्स 11% से आगे बढ़ गई, इसका मतलब 1% 11% से आगे बढ़ गए. 11% के बाद name. If the name is not showing here, it is not detecting model. That means board ID registers are issue. If you are repairing when you are dealing with the CPU, it is not showing means whether you can ask yourself. That is till now I see the model, but it is not showing now. That means my CPU is not good. Just reball it, right? After 15%, after 50%, the software is done. No hard drive issue. No hard drive issue. What is the problem? After 50%, 60% problem, 70% problem, 18% problem, only a baseband issue. Last account done, class is done. There are no such kind of errors, right? Lots of errors. If you go by the error, you will make it difficult, right? You make your life will difficult, right? You don't go by error, because sometimes error will confuse you, right? Some case you see like this 4013, you calculate, you only take 4013. 4013 can be in in 64 bit, okay? 64 bit means 66 plus, okay? The 4013 is nothing but your hard drive. Everybody knows, right? Hard disk, or you can say, you cannot say hard drive. This is the CPU and hard disk communication. What is it? Hard disk communication. This is in between whatever, okay? You can say like this. Normally 4013 in iPhone 6 they do the hard drive and normally works. So people think 4013 is hard drive, but it is not compulsory that 4013 is a hard drive. What happens in iPhone 6 only? Just take it 64 bit, 66 plus. You see 4013, you do the hard drive, still there is a 4013 problem, right? You can say like this, the 4013 is nothing but CPU and hard disk communication. You can say whether CPU, one line from CPU misses, or otherwise CPU miscommunicate with the hard drive, or otherwise hard disk bad, or otherwise lines bad. You need to check all these things. CPU and hard disk in between lines you need to check, and you need to change the hard drive. And sometimes when one line misses from the CPU, what you need to do? You just need to reball the CPU there, right? Understand what I mean to say? So what can you say? 4013 maybe it is a hard drive, it is a CPU, it is maybe other reasons, right? Hard disk. PCIe models. PCIe means it is this like 7 plus, okay? 7 to upper models, right? Or otherwise 6S to upper model, okay? 6S to upper models. This is called the PC4013 is nothing but this is the I2C failure. What is it? I2C failure. That means the CPU is not communicating with its slaves. Maybe I2C0, I2C1, I2C2, I2C3. You need to check I2C all registers and confirm what is the problem, right? In iPhone X, you face the Face ID problem, right? The water damaged Face ID will give you hang on logo, right? If you flash it, it will give 4013. People think I will do the hard drive, right? You cannot say like that. You just need to go and see what is the problem. You just need to remove all the connectors there, right? And you have then normally if you remove connectors, it will be phone on. The module itself problem, the Face ID module itself problem. You remove the module and it will be power on. So you are making your repairs hard. Ten to 100, right?
Yes.
10 to 100, any stuck, stuck. That means your CPU is working, right? CPU is working, but you need to know whether CPU is working or not. How you confirm? You check connection, right? Check. Fails, RAM will give you 0, 90, 0. That means repeatedly try to the 0, 90, 0, 0, 90, 0 like that. Okay? Understand what I mean to say?